We have got an amazing news for you.
The resilient professional, how to become resilient, how to bounce forward, and also tools and techniques.
This is the really right time to build resilience. It's never been as much needed. You might just love what you do, but when you're constantly firing, you're constantly looking after other people, it's very easy to forget yourself.
For me, Hülya Kurt, the ones who follow me know already, I call myself the vocation architect, career coach and capacity builder, keynote speaker, and together with Aylin, my wonderful peer, we are so excited to invite you to our Resilience Booster workshop. Based on the book that I mentioned already, on the 13th of November. More details to follow. And I let Aylin to introduce herself.
Yes, and this is going to be a 90-minute workshop. It's going to be a great booster, giving you exactly what you need. I'm Aylin Webb, cognitive behavioral therapist, I'm a psychologist, author of Perfectly Imperfect.
And I must say, she's doing a very good job there. So it's really about not being perfect. It's about to being imperfectly perfect. And this is what we're covering as well in the Resilience Booster workshop. So it's not about theory only. We make it interactive, practical. You will reflect, share. It's work on you, not on us. We will be there to guide you to actually build your resilience roadmap during the session. And what you will walk away with is not only something that you might vaguely remember, but a toolkit that you can keep on using, something sustainable, not just to support yourself, but also your clients, colleagues, your family, friends, and teams. It's about learning to thrive and not just survive.
Exactly. And we will be there. This is a live online workshop. So we will be there adding our professional experience and years of knowledge. I think together we probably have at least 25 to 30 years of experience together.
Yes.
And if not more, just bring out our age. But yeah, so if you're ready to stop running empty and start feeling grounded, confident, and focused again, come and join us on Resilience Booster Workshop.
This is your 90-minute reset. With that, it's a warm invitation to everyone who just want to start the new year as well with force, with something which makes sense for you, to be able to say no, to be able to say yes to what you want, and setting your goals. So with that, I guess, just check out, stay tuned on news, and we shall see each other very soon.
Yes, and just click the link below. Don't miss this workshop.